If a woman often does this to you, it means that she has lost interest in the relationship. In the ocean of love, sometimes it is calm, and sometimes it is turbulent. Changes in love are often not sudden, but quietly revealed in the daily bits and pieces. Especially in the relationship between men and women, some small actions can reveal each other's emotional state. When a woman frequently does a certain action to you, perhaps her heart has long been drifting away from this relationship. Here, we will explore the emotions hidden behind those delicate actions, reveal the true thoughts in women's hearts, and hope to help men better understand the inner world of their partners. 1. Cold body language. When a woman starts to unconsciously turn around or sideways frequently, showing a sense of physical alienation, it means that she may no longer pay attention to you. Picking up the phone, lowering her head to read a book, and being attracted by other things are all manifestations of gradually losing interest in you. Body language is a silent confession that her heart is not here, and she may even start to look for emotional substitutes. We often say that the body's reaction is often more real than words. 2. Reduce communication. Communication is the bond of emotion. When a woman chooses to reduce communication with you, or shows an indifferent attitude towards your topic, it means that she has lost interest in you and your relationship. She may not frequently, respond perfunctorily, and no longer take the initiative to share her life and feelings. For such an emotional state, men need to be alert. Maybe it is time to have in-depth communication and understand the truth, so as not to continue to wander in the misunderstanding of emotion. 3. Avoiding vision. If a woman always avoids your eyes when you are talking, as if she has lost all connection with the world, then you need to pay attention to this. Eye contact is a bridge of communication and a window of emotion. Her eyes are no longer gentle to you, and even appear to be evasive and cold, like a closed door. Such behavior shows her inner helplessness. Perhaps she is disappointed with the expectations between you, or she may be secretly longing to escape. 4. Distance and action. If she's been spending more time with her friends and less time with you, it could be a sign that she's tired of the relationship. She's no longer actively planning your activities, or even talking about your future together. Such behavior shows that she's shifted her focus and is looking for a more meaningful life, and her heart may no longer be with you. At this point, the emotional burden of separation may make the relationship irreversible. 5. Indifference to the future. If she no longer mentions you when talking about the future, but talks about personal development, goals, or shows aspirations for her personal life, this is also an obvious sign. She begins to turn her focus to herself and no longer looks forward to the future you build together. Such a change is not only a change in mindset, but also reflects her re-evaluation of your relationship. Everyone wants to feel valued by the other person in a relationship. Once this importance weakens, the heart will naturally lose its warmth. So, when a woman is getting along with you, some of her subtle actions may be a direct reflection of her inner feelings. When she starts to act distant and indifferent to you, don't take it lightly. On the contrary, facing these signals and communicating in time may be able to restore the spiritual bond and rekindle the passion you once had. I hope everyone who has experienced emotional ups and downs can face it bravely, understand each other, and find their true self. I hope you will not be afraid of wind and rain, cherish each other, and harvest the best happiness in the journey of love. Life always has ups and downs, but as long as there is love in your heart, every tomorrow will be a new beginning.